Hi, this is Snehal with Outdoo. In this video, we will be creating a roleplay agent from an existing call. To do that, head over to your home screen and then click on Create Roleplay Agent. Or you can go to the Roleplay Agent tab and then click on Create Roleplay Agent in the top right corner. Let's select Create Single Agent for now. So as we are creating a role play agent from an existing call or a call in your revenue intelligence tool, we have to select create digital twin. For this case, let's just select cold call as the role play type. So we are trying to simulate a cold call. Um, we have to select a scenario, which is like, is the buyer aware of the problem, or they are aware of the both problem and solution, or they're an existing champion. You can also create custom scenarios, right? This sets the background for the role play agent. So I can upload an existing call, I can copy paste a transcript, right? Or I can select a call from my revenue intelligence or my call recording tool, right? So we support over 20 integrations. Let's just select Outdoo's revenue intelligence for now. This will pop up all the recent calls which have appeared. I can also search any particular call and then create a role play agent from that. So for now, let me just select the first option that I see and then click on create agent. We have to map the external speaker. So if there are multiple speakers or multiple participants in the call, we replicate the exact speaker, right? So that's it. My role play agent is now ready. You can go ahead and publish it. What we will do is we'll also try to go through some of the configuration settings, right? You can, of course, change the name of the person, name of the company. You can change their accent. You can change the language. So we support over 20 languages. You can change their behavior. And this is something that's very unique to Outdoo, right? So we already have some default behaviors in place. You can also create your own custom behavior, right? Which has over 20 parameters that you can configure and change. This helps you to, open up the bot or the role play agent slowly, or, if they are skeptical or if they are analytical, right? So you can configure all those things in the behavior section. You can go ahead and change, the product, services, anything that you would like to add or maybe remove from the call, right? And it has already added a few objections and opinions based on the call recording, right? So we the problem that we are trying to solve, or the objections the role play agent has, is around complex onboarding process and the need for clear communication, right? Finally, we need to add a scorecard. Every role play session needs to be connected to a scorecard, so the person who's taking the role play, they get very pinpointed feedback and recommendations on how they should phrase their questions, how they should probably open up based on the methodology or the playbook that you have, right? So let's just go ahead and publish the agent. As we discussed in one of the previous videos, you can also fine tune the agent just by writing the prompt, right? So you don't have to go through the 20 plus fields to change the role play agent. You can as well just give an instruction that open up the role play agent slowly, add an objection that there is no budget for this quarter, right? So you can just add and submit and it will automatically change the appropriate fields. So let me just go ahead and publish the role play agent. So that's it. The agent is now queued for publishing. It will just take a few seconds and it will be ready. Thank you.